The Rejuvacare Shoulder Massager is marketed as a gentle at-home solution for pain relief, but community reports paint a very different picture. Buyers describe unauthorized subscription charges, poor customer service, and an aggressive upselling tactic that feel outright fraudulent. So here we can go to the Reddit page on Scam Finder. They are saying that the product itself is often described as weak, ineffective, or outright non-functional, with physiotherapists dismissing its supposed benefits as marketing hype. So there are very overwhelming reviews, negative reviews. They are saying scammy billing practices, refund hassles, and devices that fail quickly and don't deliver to promise results. So the verdict is that do not buy from this um company or this website. This is a scammy company.